In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files in Google Drive. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, making file management in your digital workspace as seamless as possible. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. This is your hub for all things related to Google Drive, containing all your files and folders in one convenient place. Once you've logged in with your Google account, you should see your Drive homepage with all your stored files and folders neatly displayed. Now, let's locate the file or folder you wish to move. Browse through your Google Drive and find the specific item you want to relocate. Whether it's a single document or an entire folder, click on it once to select it. This ensures that you are focusing on the correct item before proceeding with the move. If you're working with a large number of files, you might find it useful to use the search function at the top of the page to quickly find what you need. Once you've located and selected the file or folder, it's time to move it. Position your cursor over the item, then click and hold your mouse button down. You should notice that the item appears to lift off the page slightly, indicating that it's ready to be moved. Next, drag the file or folder to the desired target location within your Google Drive. You can do this by moving the cursor either to the default viewer area in the main section of the page or to a folder listed in the left sidebar. As you hover over your intended destination, keep an eye on the folder icon. It should highlight, confirming that this is where the item will be dropped. This visual cue helps ensure you are placing the file or folder in the correct location, preventing any mishaps. Finally, release the mouse button to drop the file or folder into the selected destination. Once you do this, look toward the bottom right of your screen. You should see a message pop up, confirming that your item has been successfully moved to the new location. This confirmation is a helpful way to ensure that your move has been completed. It's as simple as that. To recap, you've just moved a file or folder within Google Drive by dragging and dropping it to a new location. This straightforward method is both efficient and user-friendly, allowing you to organize your digital files with ease. As you get the hang of it, managing and rearranging your documents in Google Drive will become a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!